12-hour Bandh enforced at Tuibong Market in Churachandpur after a shop was torched by irate mob following molestation of a 10-year-old girl by a shopkeeper. Bandh supporters blocked road, burnt tires, etc. Meanwhile, DC of Churachandpur district, Dharun Kumar, has imposed prohibitory orders under Section 163 of BNSS 2023 from 6 a.m. today until further notice. A press meet was organized by SDPO of Churachandpur District Police, Bandh and Women Molestation OC, Chinleilam Gangte on the matter. Speaking to media, OC Chinleilam Gangte stated that a shopkeeper named Zakir molested a 10-year-old girl who came to buy hairband at his shop at Tuibong Market on October 21st. Following complaints raised to Women Police, a case has been registered under POCSO Act. On the next day, that is October 22nd, Zakir surrendered at the Women Police Station, after which a charge sheet was framed. She maintained that the Women Police have collected documentation and evidences regarding the incident. Moreover, SDPO Pandey has appealed to the people not to spread false information on social media.
On 21st October 2024, received a written report stating that 10-year-old minor girl was sexually molested on 11 October 2024 at around 8 a.m. by one shopkeeper, namely Mr. Zakir, at Tuibong Bazaar. Hence, a case was registered on 21 October 2024 at 5:30 p.m. under FIR number 07 Clause 10 2024 Women PS Churachandpur under Section 8 of POCSO Act 2012. And after proper verification, he was arrested in connection with the case. The police teams of Women Police Station are working very hard in completion of documentation and collecting necessary evidence in order to submit the charge sheet within a week.
As it is clear that the Women Police Station team is working very hard to help the victim get justice. I request everyone to please not take law and order in their hands and help them getting the victim real justice as early as possible. I request public support. Please do not share wrong information, rumors, as it can lead to delay of justice which no one wants. Once again, I request you to please stand with the police as we continue on the path of law.